Wow, this is
Greetings to one and all present here today. Respected Principal, Father Sunny Augustine, and Father John, and our esteemed Vice Principal, Sister Blestina, honorable teachers, and you all my dear friends present here. I am Ting Shanlang Karanyang from BA first year, and here with me is
Yamanlang Karsimle from BA first year. And
we are indeed honored to be the hosts of this special event.
Welcome, dear teachers, to this celebration. We are thrilled to have you here today. Now we will start with the program. First we have a welcome speech.
If you think you're enlightened by your teachers, you're not. If you think you're confused, you're on the right path. Good morning, respected Father, Principal, and respected Vice Principal, my beloved teachers, and all of my friends. Today, we gather to celebrate the guiding lights of our lives. Who are they? Our incredible teachers. Without their expertise, patience, and dedication will all be lost in a sea of confusion. They are the architects of our future, transforming curious minds into critical thinkers and unlocking our potential. Thank you for tolerating our late night assignment submissions, our endless questions, and frequent distractions and debates. Your patience is truly remarkable. Let's take a moment to appreciate our teachers who have made a great difference in our lives. Your influence extends far beyond the classroom, shaping our perspectives and inspiring us to make a positive impact. Your dedication, your passion will not go unnoticed. Once again, a very warm welcome to this joyous celebration. A day late, but heartfelt gratitude nonetheless. Happy Teachers' Day to our beloved teachers. Thank you.
The sign of the cake is the sign of love, as we all know that a teacher is the second parents of all the students.
Since today is your great day, so make yourselves comfortable and enjoy the rest of the items.
I was silent, you spoke out for me. I gave up, you gave me strength to stay. When I faltered,
yang dong. Riba ipa ile, riba la terkulai. Bangkit ya pangalong, lisin jangan kasih. Data mesin curang, bangkit si merah. Bangkit ya pan, naga cinta jinjang, maka libat setia.
A very good morning to everyone present here. Our respected principal, Father Sunny, Father John, our vice principal, Sister Bless, Sister Agnes, and my dearest colleagues. And last but not the least, our dearest students. I stand here today with pride and honor to be able to deliver the appreciation speech. Yes, as students, today you're celebrating Teachers' Day in honor of your teachers, right?
Yes.
But I will say something and let you in a little secret. Us, your teachers, we are sitting there and celebrating you instead, admiring you of everything that you've put up us for. Today, we stand in awe of your performances. Right from the initial stages of practice, you have showed incredible talent, leadership, and resilience. From the student council members running here and there trying to make all of this happen, the decoration team transforming the space into something very beautiful, and of course the performances which brought nothing but smiles to our faces. You've given us not just a program, but you've given us joy. You have proven what true St. Xavier students are. You've kept the spirit of Magus alive, not just by doing more, but by doing it with heart. And that is what made today's program very special. Yes, as teachers, we may look serious at times, but trust me, today, it has been a pure joy watching all of you. We are touched, we are inspired, and some of us maybe even want to secretly join the performances, I being one. Everything has been an absolute delight. As teachers, we do not take pride in what we teach, but we take pride in what we see you become. Your resilience, your excelling in every field, that is what we truly wish for. Teaching for us is not just a job, it's not just a career, okay? Teaching for us is a commitment, it's a vocation, it's a mission. And our biggest dreams as your teachers is to see you excel, not just in the field of academics, but everywhere in life, to become good human beings, to carry the qualities of compassion, integrity, and excellence, the core values of what our Jesuit education truly stands for. You may think that today is all about us, but let me tell you, it is also about you. Because you are the reason that we do what we do every single day. And today, behind all of it, is a hope and potential for you. Yes, sometimes we nag, sometimes we give you countless assignments and even surprise tests, yes, but please do know that we do all of that with an intention for you to see your own capability, to become the best versions of yourselves. So today, on behalf of all the teachers, I would like to thank you, our dearest students, for making this day very extremely meaningful. Continue to inspire us as much as we hope to inspire you. Wherever you go in life, please carry not just knowledge, but also values, okay, of helping this world make it a better place. Happy Teachers once again. God bless you all. Thank you.
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ
poi scialacca la gallina che fanno in altro sciacca wajju kembali nama shisha util haqday lam jinaka
Ngâu xiết ngâu mà cùng tâm ha la de em lại xa ne ba ha u men sim ca hồn thấy lòng tan yên trong bát ra cần men tôi Onyo Yaka Hapo utno Bajanja Satlu Musa Wajing Dong Wanka Manji my way Ukwa En Naixiarne Rupa Haumen Sim Kahun Bertailang Tang Ying Shom Basa Kan Mentoy Ayu Onyo Yaka I hope everyone knows the song, so if you know, you can join along with us. Kadongat men bante yaka terjempi Kikaki halang nitasi Pilong jengker men baben lapianan su Mai nguyu play nompa Mensikadar jingkan shisha Liwang chon syapa jingem jonga Kumu sempeling munrong Iyai taba banjai napi Yo, check, 1, 2. I'm trying to find my voice, yeah. Check, hello, check, check, yeah, yeah. Yo, check 1, 2. This is right, sir. Come on, everybody, raise your hands up and sing with me. Today is the day, celebrate our teachers. Thank you for teaching us, thank you for guiding us, thank you for forcing us to keep us focused. I'll never forget my teachers, but when it's really my class, I try to hide myself, but it's not any disrespect. It's because I'm ashamed of myself. I'm a little like bad guy, but I'm not the bad guy. I'm a chill guy, no life, but I was too shy to say hi. Too afraid to say bye-bye. I know life is not easy, but when I see my teacher's energy, they keep on motivating me to fight my problem like nothing ever happened to me. Nganggit man lagi dengan jual angin Tembang cinuk sana kicing kai dengki Bab cisit kasih ngejak dengki. We gotta keep the best, just like the expect, but we can keep the best that we have within ourselves. Thank you for teaching us, thank you for guiding us, thank you for forcing us to give us a focus. We gotta keep the best, just like you expect, but we can keep the best that we have within ourselves. Thank you for teaching us, thank you for guiding us, thank you for forcing us to give us a focus. Sometimes you get angry, but please forgive me. You know I'm crazy. I'm from a family. I have good clothes and food, but my real clothes and food is your knowledge and wisdom that you provide to me. Shout out to Father John, the church proposition, was the biggest running song. That's why I try to move on and stay away from Babylon. And life can be successful, but don't have respect for someone to teach you, and you will never be blessed. Everybody for what you have, so always respect and be grateful for what you have, so that you go far in life, yo. Teachers teach us not just education, but it teaches respect, love, and morals. So always respect and love the teachers, just like you wanna love yourself. Come on, let us stick together. We gonna give you the best, just like you expect, but we gonna give you the best that we have within ourselves. Thank you for teaching us, thank you for guiding us, thank you for forcing us to keep us focused. We gonna give you the best, just like you expect, but we gonna give you the best that we have within ourselves. Thank you for teaching us, thank you for guiding us, thank you for forcing us to keep us focused. Yo, teacher, one thing, maybe we gonna give you the best, just like you have expected from us. But we can always do our best to make you satisfied. And your teaching, your love, your support have changed us and developed us in many ways of our life. So thank you, and we really appreciate you. And you know we love you, teachers. Once again, happy Teachers Day.